Yota, conscious development. Cataract is a common condition that affects more people as they age. Surgery is commonly performed to treat it, although complications can arise after the operation. The absence of complications or side effects cannot be guaranteed in this surgery. It has been reported that 42% of people develop dry eyes and 20% experience ptosis, drooping of the eyelid, after surgery. Other problems, such as floaters in the eyes, can also occur. Before considering surgery, trying natural remedies is suggested as they have few side effects. However, there is not enough scientific research to support the effectiveness of these natural remedies, as they are usually inexpensive and there are no incentives to invest large sums of money in their research. Additionally, these remedies cannot be patented. The development of cataract is related to oxidative stress in the lens, which is affected by high blood sugar levels. The eyes are highly susceptible to elevated sugar levels as it causes intense oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can be compared to rusting of a car due to salt on the roads. Similarly, eye damage occurs due to diabetes, prediabetes, and a high carbohydrate diet, which causes a chemical reaction and generates damage. With age, the body produces fewer endogenous antioxidants to protect against oxidative damage. Plant pigments such as carotenoids and anthocyanins can play a role in ocular protection against oxidative stress. Carotenoids like beta, carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin are known for their association with age-related macular degeneration. These pigments are present in plant-based foods of yellow, orange, red, and purple colors. For example, they can be found in leafy green vegetables, grass-fed egg yolks, and grass-fed animal meat. However, conventional foods may contain added synthetic pigments. Another group of pigments to focus on is anthocyanins, which are violet and blue in color. These pigments have a strong effect on the eyes, especially in situations of oxidative stress, and can help reduce the risk of developing cataracts and even reverse their progression. Before we move on to see what can be done to prevent cataracts and what foods to consume, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and leave a comment to help promote this video and a healthy lifestyle in the community. To improve and prevent cataracts, the following measures and dietary options are suggested. 1. Control blood sugar levels. Maintaining proper control of diabetes or preventing its development is crucial, as high blood sugar levels can increase the risk of cataracts. It is recommended to follow a balanced diet, low in sugars and refined carbohydrates, and consult with a healthcare professional to properly manage diabetes. 2. Consume a diet rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants can help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. It is recommended to include foods rich in antioxidants in the diet, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, especially those with bright colors like carrots, spinach, broccoli, peppers, berries, oranges, and grapes. 3. Increase intake of foods rich in carotenoids. Carotenoids like beta, carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin have antioxidant properties and can be beneficial for eye health. They are found in foods such as carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkins, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, yellow and orange peppers, grass-fed egg yolks, and fatty fish. 4. Include foods rich in vitamin C and vitamin E. These vitamins also have antioxidant properties and can help protect the eyes. It is recommended to consume foods such as citrus fruits, kiwis, strawberries, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and avocado. 5. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory effects and can be beneficial for eye health. They can be found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in nuts and flax seeds. 6. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption have been associated with a higher risk of cataracts. Avoiding or reducing these habits can contribute to eye health. 7. Avoid prolonged exposure to ultraviolet UV radiation. UV radiation can accelerate the development of cataracts. It is suggested to protect the eyes from direct sunlight by using sunglasses with UV protection and wide-brimmed hats when outdoors. If you found this video interesting, please comment. This will help us promote healthy living in the community. Also, like and subscribe to our school's channel to stay informed, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to see videos among the first.